probably my favorite element of the whole table, are these sweet little DIY bee skeps. All right, so look how cute these little DIY bee skeps are. And they're so simple to make. So what you need to make this is a balloon, something to set the balloon in, especially when you're getting started. You're gonna need a glue gun. I like to use a glue gun that has a low temp and a high temp setting because for this project, I like to use the low temp setting. And you're gonna need to have some twine. So I just get this, it's a pound, they call it a pound of jute twine. I get it at Walmart. It's like just $4 or so for the pack. And this will make a ton of bee skeps. So imagine how cute this would be for a ladies' luncheon. So to begin, we're just going to take the twine. I'm going to tie it in a knot so that I've got a starting point, and I'll just have a little, whoops, a little loop, except that I'm not tying a knot very well right now. All right, there we go. Okay, and I've got a little tail, and I like this because then if you want to hang this, you can, or it just looks adorable like a little top for it. Okay, so we're gonna take the loop, we're gonna take our balloon. See how our balloon has a little point here and then it's wider at the bottom? That's helpful. We're gonna use that to our advantage because it's gonna help be our shape for them. We're gonna take this, I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on my twine, and I'm gonna stick this on the balloon, and then I'm going to keep putting, I'm gonna hold that there with my finger, and I'm gonna put glue on the twine and begin to wrap it in a circle. Now be careful, guys, because you know how hot a hot glue gun is. It's hot. I'm always burning myself with mine, which is why I've grown to really like the low temp setting because it's not quite as intense as the inferno of the other one. And you're gonna just keep putting the glue on there and you're gonna keep wrapping this around. And once you get it going, you can lift it right up off the base and the base aside and then just work with it in your hands. Super easy. Just keep adding glue as you're going around. Now, this is going to attach itself to the balloon. And what you'll do at the very end is you're gonna just pop the balloon. And if the balloon comes out, great. If not, if it stays in there, I find it kind of just helps it hold its shape. And you just keep wrapping around and around with your glue and get it to the length that you want. And then once you've got it down to the length that you want, you can just cut it off, take a little bit of glue, glue it right to the inside there. You can see on this one, there's still a little bit of the purple balloon left inside. It's such a simple, but so adorable DIY. It makes cute party favors. It also makes sweet home decor. Imagine doing a Christmas tree that was kind of bee garden themed. This is such a fun DIY. So I hope that you've gotten some fun, entertaining ideas and inspiration, a delicious menu that's easy to put together. Thanks so much for watching.
Thanks again for joining us. We had a great time today. Listen, come back later and Jennifer, tell them.
Yeah, so again, if you have ideas that you'd love to see us cover, topics or products or party ideas, food ideas, senior living ideas, whatever, please email us ideas@celebratingeverydaylife.com. And until then, thank you so much. We hope that you have found ideas, inspiration, and encouragement to help you on your journey of celebrating everyday life with Jennifer and Lucinda.
Bye-bye.